With the COVID-19 pandemic going across the country, it is important for schools to prepare their students for future pandemics if this was to happen. If schools are shut down while children are still at school, all buses are cancelled and roads blocked or closed, students will be required to make it home by themselves with just the clothes on their back and what is in their backpack. It could take days for students to get home, traversing the suburbs of Canberra through the bush, so schools will need to provide the students supplies that are not only nutritional, but to cover each meal of the day, as it could take them 24 hours to get home. I am making MRE's meals ready to eat to show the basic requirements for a meal. So for your MRE, you would require foods for each part of the day. Your breakfast, your lunch, dinner, and snacks. For breakfast, you have superfood, Harco Marker breakfast bowl with superfoods, gluten-free, excellent source of dietary fiber, tea and coffee. For lunch, you have soup, pink salmon with tomato and onion, oat bars. For dinner, you'd have beef jerky, an excellent source of protein, and chicken flavored noodles. For snacks, you would have chocolate, nuts, more chocolate, these weird things called sesame snaps, and of course more chocolate. To make this a wrap and last till the next major pandemic, I will load it into a vacuum sealer, and now to seal it. This is long. Here is your completed MRE, and that's a wrap.